Hello my dear student, how are you? I hope you are all in good states. So today in this video I'm going to solve question number 3 of 2023. We have to prove that twice tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse twice x is divided by 1 plus x square for x belongs to -1 to 1. Also find the value of sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Twice solution. Twice tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse twice x is divided by 1 plus x square. So let's say this is first we have to prove and another is second, which is your what? Sine under the parenthesis bracket pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So first of all I would like to solve this first one. So you can see tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse twice x by 1 plus x square. So let tan inverse x is equal to y. So x is equal to what? Tan y. So sine inverse, this is right hand side. Okay, right hand side twice x is divided by 1 plus x square. In replace of x you can write twice tan y is divided by 1 plus tan square y. So do you know what is the formula of sine twice theta? Sine twice theta is equal to what? Twice tan theta is divided by 1 plus tan square y. Sorry, this is in terms of what? Theta. So you can write here or apply this formula sine what? Y in terms of y. So here you can write this term. Okay, so sine and sine inverse will cancel out and remaining twice y. So 2 what? Tan inverse x, you can see what is the value of y. Tan inverse x is the value of y. So just here I put. So this is your solution. So second we have to solve this. Sine pi by 3 minus sine under the bracket minus 1 by 2. Sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is the angle. So minus 1 by 2 is a what? Angle. So this is what? Sine inverse. So before going to solve this, at first you have need to clear a concept. Let's say sine inverse and have minus theta, and also you can write minus sine inverse theta. This minus will come in front of sine inverse, yes or no? Okay. Solution. So sine pi by 3, bring down without any changing, and this minus will come out in front of sine inverse. So minus sine inverse and 1 by 2 sine pi by 3 minus minus plus and sine inverse 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is in what angle? So sine pi by 3. So you have need to know what is the formula of 1 by sine 1 by 2. Are you know? Do you know? So don't worry. Sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine what? Sine 60 degree, and finally what? Sine 90 degree. So sine 0 degree is what? 0. Then this is 1. So it is 1 by 2, and this is uh, 1 by under 2, 1 by under root 2, and this is root over 3 by 2. Yes or no? What is the formula of sine 45? 1 by under root over 2 is the value of sine 45. Okay, so you can see this term in this term also we can write in front of here. You can see, let's say this is 30 degree. Yes or no? So for 30 degree you can write what? Pi by 6, sine pi by 6. Yes or no? So sine pi means what? 180 degree. So if 180 degree is divided by 6, then we get what? 30 degree. Yes or no? So we can apply this concept. Pi by 6. This is sine inverse. Okay, pi by what? 6. So we can see sine, if we take, so sine inverse, if we take what? LCM, then we take 6. Yes or no? So here twice pi plus pi, sine 3 pi by 6. This 3 go in 6 what? 2 times. Then sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 means what? 90 degree. And the value of 90 degree is what? 1. So you can write 1. And this is your answer. For a clear understanding, please subscribe your channel. Thank you.